Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Muhammad Sidan Fajul Fala and you guys can call me Sidan, and I am an informatics student at Telkom University Surabaya. Today I want to share something simple about personal. A look into my daily life, what I usually do on my days off, motivate me, and how I keep improving myself as I move toward to my dream career. I believe every person has their own rhythm in life. Some people like busy days, others prefer peaceful morning. And for me, I try to make my free days meaningful, a mix of rest, creativity, and self-growth. This video is not about a perfect routine or a fancy lifestyle. It's about how I spend an ordinary day trying to become a better version for myself. And one step, one cup of coffee, and one line of code at a time. So let's start my day together. In the morning, I usually wake up 7 a.m. on weekend. I'm not an early bird, but I always try to start my day calmly gitu. The first thing I do is open the curtain, let the sunlight in, and take a deep breath. It helps me to clear my mind. Then I make my favorite drink like coffee usually, and coffee is a big part of my morning routine. The sound of the coffee machine, the smell of fresh beans, the warmth of the cup, it's relaxing and motivating at the same time. People often say, Zidane and coffee cannot be separated, and they are probably right. While drinking my coffee, I usually scroll through social media, check message, or read short article about technology. Sometimes I also write down small goals for the day, like finishing a mini project, cleaning my room, or just taking a break from the screen. After that I take a shower, listen to music, and get ready for the day. No rush, just enjoying the quiet morning before everything gets busy. And around 9 a.m. I usually start my productive time. Even on weekends, I like to do something related to web development, not because I have to, but because I really enjoy it. Sometimes I open my laptop and explore new tools or frameworks. I might read documentation about React, Laravel, or Node.js. Other time, I practice front-end skill, creating small UI layout, animation, or responsive page just for fun. I also have a personal project, a small website that displays object detection using Yellow Face Flash. It's part of research idea I'm developing, and even though it's challenging, I love working on it. When I face error or bugs, I don't panic anymore. I take a sip of coffee, relax for a moment, and then try again. Debugging is not just about fixing code, it's about patience and persistence. Sometimes I record I record short screen captures of my projects to upload to GitHub. It's satisfying to see how far I have come from my first messy code to a more structured functional project. And then at 12 p.m. time for lunch for me. I'm not a master chef, but I enjoy cooking simple meals like fried rice, noodles, instant noodles with egg, usually with egg, you know lah, or grilled bread with cheese. But yeah, just little. There's something relaxing about making your own food, especially when the smell fills the kitchen. And if the weather is nice, is sometimes eat outside on the porch or near the window while watching YouTube. I usually watch videos about cartoon, film, movie, uh, technology, just little. Technology but and design, yeah. Channels is like fresh sip titlets or fun cuma fun that are my favorite. They teach but also make me laugh. After eating I take a short rest. I don't usually nap long, maybe just 15 or 20 minutes, I think, to recharge. Yeah, then I will play a song in Spotify, maybe EOV beats it, or instrumental like piano, violin, guitar, and yeah, anything else. Uh, Anything else while tidying up my desk. Sometimes I spend the early afternoon journaling, where writing about what I learned recently, or ideas I want to try. It's my way to keep my mind active while giving my body a break. And then uh, next, in afternoon, are when I feel most creative. I make my second cup of coffee. Yeah, coffee again lah. Coffee again. I make my second cup of coffee, yes, again, and start another session of deep focus. This is the time when I might design new layout, improve my old code, or update my portfolio. I also like exploring Cleans or LinkedIn, checking out real job listing, and reading the recruitment for web developer position. It helps me understand what skills complain look for and what I still need to learn. One of the companies that caught my attention is some digital constant. They often post opportunities to full stack developer. Yeah, full stack developer. They recommend the include knowledge of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, database, and teamwork skill. Things I have been developing slowly but steadily. When I see real example like that, it's motivated me. It makes my goals feel more real. Yeah, for feel more real. Something I can actually reach with enough effort. Sometimes I also go out in the afternoon, maybe to small cafe of a park and warkop. Yeah, warkop, to drink a coffee again, and maybe just to change to atmosphere. I bring my laptop or notebook and write it is for future project. Some of my best ideas were born in cafe. Yeah, in cafe. So run by the smell of roasted bean and quiet background cater. Yeah, just like that. And then talk about personal branding. Yeah, my personal branding. If I had to describe myself, I do say I'm a consistent, maybe, yeah, consistent, humble and helpful person. But rather than me talking about myself, let's hear from my feet and voice note from my friend. They might explain me better.
I think the unique part of you is the way you drink your coffee. Cause I don't think you're anywhere normal. Like you're able to drink that much coffee in one day and you're still doing fine. Like, oh girl, you're so strong. Um, what else? So yeah, one of it is like your ability to drink your coffee and I guess that you're just unique and fun, I guess. Um, oh yeah, I think that you're unique because you have that ability to like to pay attention to someone, I guess. I think you will collect details about someone and I think you will be good as like a girl dad. Yeah.
And definitely true. I'm a little upset with, you know lah, upset with coffee. Yeah, coffee again. Maybe because it present focus for me. Whatever I feel stuck, a cup of coffee somehow reset my brain. It's like a little push to keep going. And to person two, yeah, my friend again.
Zidane is a humble person who always treats others with respect. He's diligent and works hard to achieve his goals. He's also very consistent, always keeping his promise and staying disciplined in what he does. Zidane likes to help others and never hesitates to give support when someone needs it.
That's why my personal brand always about kindness, and consistency. I'm not a perfect, but I try to stay true for my values. I want to be remembered as someone who works hard, keep learning, and always spare good energy. I also think personal branding is not just what you saw online. It's what you do every day, even when no one's watching. For me, that's mean being reliable, respectful, and serious. And then talk about my strengths. When it come to strengths, I believe my biggest one of times ones are discipline, seriously, and creativity. Yeah, I'm quite consistent when I'm focused on something. I can spend hour figuring out how to make something work, whether it's a bug or design. I'm also serious. I always want to understand how things work behind the scenes. Yeah, and my creativity helps me make websites that are not only functional but also visually appealing. I enjoy designing layout that look clean, modern, and user friendly. In addition, I'm good at teamwork. I like collaborating with people who have different strengths than mine. I have learned that good communication and mutual respect make any project better. Lastly, I adapt quickly. Technology changes fast, and I love that challenge. Learning new frameworks or language keeps me excited. And then talk about my weakness and how do I improve. Yeah, of course I have a weakness too. Yeah, sometimes I get to focus on small details. I can spend too much time adjusting a color, fixing a layout, or rechecking the same code over and over. I'm learning to balance between perfection and efficiently. Another weakness is that I sometimes hesitate to speak up, especially in English. Yeah, but improving by practicing more conversation, watching English videos, watching movie in English, and recording content like this. Yeah, it's not easy, but every time I do it, I gain more confidence. I believe that self awareness is the first step to self improvement. Knowing your weakness means you can work on them, and that's what I'm trying to do every day. Yeah, and then in evening are my time to slow down. After dinner, I clean up my space, put away my laptop, and take a moment to relax. Sometimes I watch movie or listen to music. Other time I reflect, thinking about what I have learned today, and what I want to improve tomorrow. I might open my journal and write what did I well today, what can I do better that next time, and what make me happy today. Before sleeping, I like to set small intention for tomorrow, like learn something new or be more confused. It keeps me grounded and motivated. Life is not about big moments only. It's perform small habits repeated with purpose. Purpose, yeah. And that's how I want to live, going slowly and but consistently. Yeah. And so that a glimpse of my life, not a perfect day, just a real one. Yeah, a day filled with some small routines, learning louder, and of course lots of coffee. Yeah, coffee again. Lots of coffee. I hope this video inspires to you to appreciate your own daily life. Even ordinary day can be meaningful if we live them with passion and gratitude. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. And remember, stay kind, stay serious, and keep improving yourself day in one day at a time. Have a wonderful day, everyone. See ya. Ciao.